Hey everybody, Sunny with AI for ROI. Just wanted to share this tool that I recently vibe coded. For those of you who heard of vibe coding, essentially what it is you just talk to the coder. You just talk to, for instance, in this particular case, we're talking to Claude Code, and it's by feel. So as it creates the prompts that you give it by using your voice, it'll then pump out an app, a dashboard, whatever your needs are. In this case, I was looking into purchasing Loom, and I said, well, why don't I just try vibe coding this thing? And I was able to. What's really cool is literally every single feature that I liked about Loom, I just went ahead and asked it to vibe code. Over time, I came out with this piece that you see here in front of us. And I said, come up with a name. I didn't ask it to come up with a logo, or else it probably would have. I did suggest it, but it wasn't something that I pressed on. So I came up with the C, and then it's Capsule. And what are some of the features here that I asked for to record? To have the library has analytics, so when you share it, you can see if people viewed it. It also has the script writer, so it can write a script based on the product, tutorials, sales pitch, is it a bug report, team update, and you can write in more details about what you need, and it'll write the script for you. It's not attached to an LLM. It is the next step would be to attach it to an LLM. I was looking for some of the free options out there, but essentially you would need to connect an API to it if you wanted to connect it to, say, ChatGPT and get like a much better script. But I can easily just copy and paste and throw in the script, because what are we going to do with the script? Well, I created a teleprompter. So the teleprompter is active. It is working. See here, you can have it go faster, slower. Some other things that I added was the title and slides. So if you needed some notes as reference, for me, if I wanted to scale this and start recording videos about all the projects that I'm working on, businesses that I'm helping, new AI features and tools, then I would want some sort of guide to help me get through the recording. You can add a link. If I wanted to add my website, let me hide this. I wanted to add my website, aiforroi.co. I can add it there. And I can actually open the link. There's a label if I wanted to title it, website. Okay, and then here we can add slides. Just vibe code this. Just vibe coded this. This is the link. So I can go onto this website, start talking about it. And then the next code, vibe code anything. Put my website there. So just playing with it. And that's what vibe coding is. It's just by feel. So let's go ahead and go to the library. We can create folders. We can create oldest to newest. So just some basic stuff here. Analytics, if you wanted to see who was recently viewed our video that we sent over, if we're looking to get hired for a job, or we're just sharing some of our recent works. Maybe you're setting up SOPs for a business owner, then you can see which ones he viewed, which ones he didn't. In case he follows up and has questions, you can say, I sent over this video, please take a look. I noticed you didn't view it. But essentially, you can use it however you want. So what are some other features that I would add in the next iteration? I kind of like it. I mean, I don't think there's anything else that I need, other than I will create a version of this that can be added to my web browser, just like Loom. You guys weren't able to see it, but I am able to blur this out. I'm able to add a background. I'm able to go small, medium, or large. And it gives me the option to record the whole screen, the entire screen, a window, just like Loom. So just want to share this with you guys. Another cool little, app that I was able to vibe code. It took me, I would say, less than 90 minutes to go back and forth, play with it while I was working on other projects. But just wanted to share this with you, and more to come.